In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Notion charts step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Notion charts are an incredibly powerful way to visualize your data, track progress, and turn simple tables into clear visual insights. Whether you're managing finances, tracking habits, or organizing projects, charts can help you understand your data at a glance. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to the Basics of Notion Charts page. You can do this inside your Notion workspace or by opening an existing page where you want to build your chart. This is where everything starts, and it's important to make sure you're working in the right page before moving forward. Next, create your table. This table will act as the data source for your chart. If you already have data, you can use an existing table, but for this example, we'll create a new one so you can clearly see how everything works from scratch. Once your table is visible, click on the menu in the top left corner of the table. This menu gives you access to more advanced options and is where you'll be able to convert your table into a database, which is required for charts to work properly in Notion. Now click on Turn into Database. This step is essential because charts in Notion only work with databases, not simple tables. After converting, you'll notice more options become available, such as properties and different data types. Next, type in Sample Database as the name. Naming your database helps keep things organized, especially if you're working on larger Notion setups with multiple databases and views. Now create a separate column for Account. This column can represent things like bank accounts, projects, or any category you want to track. Make sure the column type fits your data, such as text or select. After that, add another column for Category. Categories are useful for grouping and analyzing your data later in the chart, such as expenses, departments, or task types. Once your database is ready, click below the database and type /chart. From the block menu that appears, choose the chart option. This is how you insert a chart block in Notion. Next, click on Vertical Bar Chart. This chart type works great for comparisons and is one of the most commonly used chart styles in Notion. When prompted, click on Sample Database as the data source. This tells Notion which database the chart should pull information from. Now click on What to show for the x-axis. The x-axis usually represents categories or labels, so this is where you choose how your data will be grouped visually. From the list, click on Column 2. This assigns that column to the x-axis, allowing Notion to organize your chart based on that property. Next, click on What to show for the y-axis. The y-axis typically represents values or numbers, such as totals or counts. Then click on Column 1 to assign it to the y-axis. This tells Notion what value should be measured and displayed in the chart. Once everything looks correct, exit the settings. Your chart will now automatically generate based on the data in your database. As you update the database, the chart will update as well, which is one of the most powerful features of Notion charts. And that's it. You now know how to use Notion charts to turn your data into clean visual insights. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.